Hi, I'm Guy Cook, and you know how I talk about cybersecurity from time to time? Well, today, a big one. Delete these two former Google Play Store apps immediately. They're known as File Recovery and Data Recovery, and the other name is File Manager. They've been installed over 1 million times. You might have one. I hope not. It's produced by, the apps were done by Wang Tom, whatever that means. And security outfit from Prado discovered that these apps falsely claim to not collect user data, but they do. So bottom line, again, share to your friends. Delete those apps if you've got them.
Hi, this is Guy Cook, and the ways to get in contact with me, well, you can contact me through the GuyRCookReport.com or https://GuyRCook.com. There's a contact form there. Or you can call the new cell phone number, 509-200-1429. Look forward to talking. Hi, the reason for this section of the video is to remind you to subscribe or at least like. It's a wrap.